So I'm on Village Creek in Texas. It's out of a town called Kuntz. Staying the night on this sandbar right here. But one of the things that we have out here is a bunch of downed cypress. Yeah, check this out. So this is the wood that I picked up. So this is what the inside of the cypress looks like. It's beautiful. This is wet, but I've got this piece. So you have to imagine that all filled with resin. Look at this one here. I mean, that's going to be gorgeous when it's turned. Clearly, all this will be need to be stabilized in cactus juice or something similar. And look at this one. I mean, that's going to be awesome too. And then this, so once again, filling all that with resin. So one of the things is I don't like to, I don't buy wood. I find it. It's just a lot more interesting that way. So stay tuned. All right, well, I cut up some of the wood, put it here in the oven, about 200 and some odd degrees. It's actually about 225, but there it is, some of it, not all of it. And then I've also got some other wood that I wanted to put here in the vacuum chamber. So let me stabilize this wood, and then we will mix some resin and fill all the voids. I'm gonna check on this in a few hours and see how it's doing. So the vacuum process was completed last night, and then it sat overnight in the cactus juice so it could absorb it. It's now in the oven, 200 degrees, and we will pull the wood out after maybe, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 hours and see how it looks. Well, here it is after being in the oven for about 4 hours. Okay, well, these are the first 2 pieces that I did from that cypress that I got. I didn't show me mixing up the resin and all of that. There are other videos I have to do that, but basically this is the color that I went with, kind of a greenish, tealish, bluish. And that was at the request of Mr. BB, who said he wanted one of these. So you can see where I mixed it together. I'm gonna let this set for another few hours before I carve it into blanks and see if I can make a pen from it. So I've cut the mold into blanks. This is how they look. They look pretty nice. So I'm going to make a couple of Sierra Diverse pens out of it and see how those look. All right, drilled and tubed. And so let's turn it. And there it is, Sierra Diverse. It's very pretty. I like the gunmetal and chrome like that. So gunmetal, chrome, gunmetal. I like the detailed knurling too. Very pretty pen.